Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the MIUI 12.5 update size and the features in this MI11 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the MI11 smartphone. So recently I did receive the MIUI 12.5 update, and in this video I'll try to focus mainly on the what is the size of the update and what are the features you should know regarding the update as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more this kind of interesting videos as well. And in case if you want to download the live wallpapers what I'm using in this video, so make sure to check the links in description. You can find all the links will be available in the description below. So let's get started friends. First thing is that the phone which I'm using, as I said, it's the MI11 device. So recently I did receive this update which is a 12.5. so finally one of my smartphone has been updated to the latest version. So the size is of 461 MB only, as you can see. So this is a stable update which I have received. So normally I did expect the update size to be slightly higher than the 1 GB or close to 2 GB, but right now the size is very small, so less than 500 MB, so it's not much. So these are the few features which are available inside the phone, as you can see here. So you can see the system related updates in this column, and the system animations got changed, and haptic feedback brings a new dimension to familiar actions. So I'll try to test each and every particular feature after the mobile gets updated. The sound system has been changed, and super wallpapers. I think one of the extra wallpaper got added. So before it used to be only Earth and the Mars. So now we got another kind of super wallpaper. So next is a privacy protection and notes. MIUI Plus as well, and floating windows got updated, and home screen and dynamic cloud, MI carrier services, as you can see, themes, browser. So these are the couple of things friends which got updated, and definitely I'll do my best to cover the 12.5 features in another videos as well in the future. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know how does the MIUI 12.5 feels like using, and even I'll be able to compare with the other OS like the Realme's UI 2.0, so which has been already got recently. So these are the few things friends you should know about this MIUI 12.5 update, the size and the features, all the things you got to know. And later I'll try to once the update has been downloaded, and later I'll try to install and use by myself so I can test properly the 12.5 features. So I'm gonna be back friends in the next videos, and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about this 12.5 update as well, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.